Hi, I'm Krista with WTI, and today I'm inviting you into my outdoor space so that you can enjoy the beautiful melodic tones of the Astarin 45-inch memorial wind chime. Isn't that just the sound of pure relaxation? Since I received this wind chime, I've tried it in a few outdoor spaces to see where the best natural flow of wind comes to my home, and I settled on a space on my back garden, right outside of my kitchen window, so I can hear it as I drink my morning coffee and prepare for a successful day. I have experimented with a variety of wind chimes of different materials and sizes, but this model with an overall larger scale size and thick powdered aluminum tubes really creates the most deep toned, exquisite melodies that's both soothing and relaxing for me. Another wonderful perk of the deep tones of this wind chime is that it easily masks other outdoor noises that are less desirable. I happen to live close to a busy boulevard, and the constant noise from passing cars and motorcycles can sometimes spoil the tranquility of the garden. But no more. Now it's all about a peaceful experience when I'm outside. And it's not just about the sound. Its sleek black design is also visually very stunning for our outdoor space. With the Astarin Memorial wind chimes, you are truly going to relax more and enjoy your space more. And that's my point of view.